too.
Oh, he's put massive presents.
What present?
That big one must be mine.
That big one?
Yeah.
But it's
Come on,
not,
see what else you've got.
yeah, but it's not snowy, Daddy.
Megan,
Can I see what's in your one?
see what's in your one.
See what's in your one first. No, you do your one first.
Quick, what have you got there, Megan?
What is it?
Oh, it's a sweetie holder.
It's a sweet holder. Oh my God. That's my card.
That says thank you.
It says, let's see.
Oh, wow.
Wow! Check it out. Wow! Can you get that off, Jack? What's this? Ew. I don't want this. It's a boy's.
No, I think it's for your bug finder.
No, I don't.
Okay, hurry up.
It's a wee one.
What else have you got?
In here.
Keep the coins away from Jack.
Tissues!
Oh, the guinea pig one.